friends, I am Bhujbal Pratiksha. So today I am going to talk about a clinical research. So what is a clinical research? So clinical research is a branch of medical and health sciences that involves the study of a human subject to assess the safety, efficacy and effectiveness of interventions such as medications, medical devices and diagnostic tools and treatment protocols. Then the primary goal of clinical research is to generate a scientific knowledge that can contribute to the improvement of healthcare and well-being of the individuals. Now, um, clinical research is typically follows a structure and rigorous processes which are broadly categorized into the several phases. So, first important thing in the clinical research is to preclinical research. So, in the preclinical research, before a new intervention is tested in humans, their researchers often conduct preclinical studies using a laboratory experiment, cell cultures, and animal as a models. Then this stage is aims to conduct initial evidences regarding to the regarding to the interventions safety and potential efficacy. Now, second important thing in the clinical research is to conduct a clinical trial to check the efficacy and safety of drug in humans. So, clinical trials has a some divided into phases. So these clinical trials is a core of clinical research and are conducted in a several phases. So first phase is the phase 0, and this phase involves a very small number of participants to gather preliminary data like a pharmacokinetic, that is how the body processes the drug. It involves a very small number of participants, that is 10 to 15 participants. Then phase 1. In the phase 1, it involves a small number of healthy volunteers to assess a intervention of the safety, dosage and side effect. It the participant 20 to 80 participant can take the part in this phase. Then phase second, in this phase it expand the study to a large group of participants, that is 100 to 300 participants, which including those with the target condition, to further evaluate the safety and being assessing the assessing the efficacy. Then phase 3, that it involves a large number and more diverse population, that is about the 300 to 3000 people, to confirm the efficacy, monitor the side effects and compare the intervention to existing treatment, or in in this phase placebo are given to the participants. Then phase 4th, in this it occur after the intervention has been approved and the on the market, and it focusing on the long term safety, optimal use and further assessment of the effectiveness. Then next important thing is the thing in clinical research is the observational studies. So, in addition to clinical trials, observational studies are conducted to observe and analyze the documents in the populations which are exposed to the certain interventions or condition. Then these studies are include cohort studies, case control studies and the cross sectional studies. Then next important thing is the regulatory approval. So, if a new intervention is demonstrated safety and efficacy through the clinical trials, researchers can submit their findings to the regulatory agency. For example, US Food and Drug Administration, European Medicines Agency for the approval for its approval. Then next important thing is in the clinical research is the post marketing surveillance. After the approval, ongoing monitoring and research can continue to assess the intervention of the safety and effectiveness of effectiveness in the real world condition. Then this phase may identify the rare side effects and or interventions which are evident during the earlier studies. That's all about the clinical research. Thank you.